Hello, my name is Ethan Weichert, and this is my senior capstone project video. For the past 4 years, I've attended the Center for Science and Industries, where I have taken engineering courses. At the end of these 4 years, we were tasked with our capstone project, which was to put everything we have learned for the past 4 years into a singular project. This project was open-ended, leaving the students to choose to do with whatever they want, and for my project, I chose to modify a gas-powered RC car. I did such by adding a can of nitrous oxide to it to make the car go faster. Here we have the car. From the top, we can see the can of nitrous. The can of nitrous is opened by this servo here, attached to the can by a string, and this servo is controlled by this Bluetooth chip here and an app on my phone, so I can open the servo while the car is driving. The can of nitrous is then shot into the engine via this tube and the air intake here. The Bluetooth chip is controlled by this microcontroller here and powered by this 9-volt. The car I got was a used car on Facebook Marketplace, which came with many issues and provided a whole nother engineering challenge in itself. I had to make many repairs to it, such as changing the flywheel, changing spark plugs, buying different kinds of fuel, changing the air intake filter, and tuning the engine. Tuning the engine proved to be quite the challenge itself because I had to figure out how to tune it to get the car started, and I also had to tune the engine to adjust for how much nitrous was spraying into the engine so it didn't run lean. Another challenge I had with the car was buying more parts for it. Because there were so many things that needed to be changed, it took a while to order all of the parts. If I did do this project differently, I would have bought a car that ran while it worked, and I would have experimented with putting boosted air into the engine through a turbocharger or a supercharger instead of nitrous. Nitrous is a very hard substance to control and use efficiently, but at the end of the day, I'm very happy it worked, and I learned a lot from this project.
That's cool. So good.